In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download the Stremio app on Android. First, you will need to open the Google Play Store. This is the primary app store for Android devices, where you can find a vast array of applications. When you tap on the Play Store icon, you'll be greeted by a colorful array of apps and games. Look for the search bar at the top of the screen. This is where you will enter your query to find Stremio. If you have not logged in yet, you may be prompted to do so. Just follow the on-screen instructions to log into your Google account. This step is essential as it ensures you can download apps and receive updates easily. Next up, tap the top search bar and type Stremio. As you start typing, you might see suggestions appear below the search bar. This can make it quicker to find the app you are looking for. Take your time to ensure you spell it correctly. Typing the name accurately is crucial because it helps you locate the official app without confusion. Once you have entered the name, hit the search button or tap on the suggestion. You will see a list of apps related to your search. Now select the official Stremio app on the Google Play Store that is published by Stremio. It's important to identify the right app since there may be similar apps available. Look for the logo that represents Stremio, which is typically distinctive and recognizable. Once you find the correct app, tap on it. This will take you to the app's page where you can see more details. You can check the ratings and reviews to reassure yourself that you are downloading a reliable application. After that, tap the Install button. This action will initiate the download and installation process. Depending on your internet connection, this may take a few moments. During this time, you might see a progress bar indicating how much of the app has been downloaded. It's always a good idea to keep your device connected to Wi-Fi during downloads to avoid using mobile data. Once the installation is complete, you will see a confirmation appear, letting you know that Stremio is now ready to use. Now that you have the app installed, you can open it and start exploring its features. Stremio is a powerful media center that allows you to organize and stream your favorite content. Whether you're into movies, series, or live TV, this app provides a centralized platform for all your viewing needs. You can create an account, personalize your recommendations, and enjoy a seamless streaming experience. After downloading, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the app interface. This will help you navigate easier and discover new content that interests you. Remember, the more you explore, the more you will enjoy what Stremio has to offer. In conclusion, you've successfully downloaded the Stremio app on your Android device. You can now enjoy streaming your favorite shows and movies. Thank you for following along, and happy streaming.